Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about how to plan for retirement, and so do watch till the very end. Do not skip any part, guys. Let's delve right into today's video. So planning for these are steps that you can take in order to adequately plan for retirement or for when you stop working. So the first step, guys, is to set and write down your retirement goals. What do you want to really do after retirement? How do you want your retirement to be like? Depending on you, it's solely up to you and your preference. Some people would just want to be traveling around the world. Some people want to stay at home with their families. It really depends on you. How do you want your retirement to look like? Write it down. You want to take trips? Whatever be your retirement plan, write or plans, write them down. And then number two, guys, find out how much that lifestyle you want to live after you have retired. How much is it going to cost you? You have to do the math and calculate and get your number and know your number. How much do you need to live comfortably or live that luxurious life that you want to live after you retire? If you have a fair idea, or if you've always been tracking your expenses, you know how much is going where each and every time. You have a fair idea about your monthly expenses, multiply by 12 months to give you your annual expenses. When you have a fair idea about your annual expenses, now you can add an interest rate of, let's say, 4% to it to know how much more you need in order by the time you retire to live that luxurious life. It's important that you know your numbers, know how much that's coming in, how much will be going out. All these things, they would really give you a fair idea so that you're able to really plan well for that lifestyle after retirement. Number three, guys, after knowing your numbers, knowing how much money you will need to comfortably live that life, then you now need to save aggressively towards that. If you have a fair idea of the number that you will need, let's say every month, every year, then you will know that if I start saving this amount of money now till 20 years time, 30 years time, I should be able to hit that certain amount or that target amount that I need in order to live that life. That retirement plan or goal needs to be achieved. It needs money. And so knowing your numbers will basically help you to save aggressively towards that so that you make sure that your dreams do come true after retirement. For guys, it's not only about saving towards retirement because we're building wealth on this channel, and so when we save money towards that, we put them into avenues, into assets that are going to grow our monies, multiply our monies, and make more monies for us. And that's when investments come in. Invest into pension funds, avenues that or assets that are going to bring in the cash flow. Invest based on security, how safe or the risk level, and then also the income, the profits, the interest, or the dividend that's going to come in, as well as good. Most especially if you have shares, you have prices of shares appreciating, going up, and so you have to invest based on security, on the income that is going to come in, as well as on good. Put these factors into play. Let them come into play when you are investing for retirement or the long term. If you are young, I mean, you have the luxury of time at your disposal to take. Guys, number five is to plan the different income streams that are going to bring in the cash flow when you do retire. What are some of the income streams you still want to have after retirement? Mind you, your 9 to 5 salary will no longer be there. So you need to find ways you still be earning money because you need money to still survive after retirement.